Yo, ain't you? What is up, gang? Hey, it's me and Jay, and today we're doing a tune-up. Woo! Now we have a 2004 Honda CRV. Oh no. Here you go. But now she's just taking off the engine cover. Ooh. And we got a 4-cylinder, so we've got all 4 of those that we need to change off, and those 4 spark plugs. Y'all still with me? What y'all doing down there?
Just for this thing, yeah.
That's the only one I got on. Put them off to the side so they don't get lost. We won't need those to put these back on, bub. And we did have to let the engine cool before, you know, we start doing any of this.
I need the fit right anyway.
Oh, that's a reach. Hey, guess what? Ooh.
That one won't come off.
At least we know they're not just falling off of there.
None of them want to come off.
Squeeze and pull. Because they gotta come off. We don't want you here anymore.
Participate.
My turn? Oh, yeah. They wanted to come out for me. That's what it was.
This is a coil. An old one. As you can tell, it's all rusty. Now they just want to slide off.
Yeah, I told you they was gonna come off for me. That's exactly what I was
I done
doing.
did all the. Here's the second one, you guys. Wow. He's full of oil, gas, or something. That's 2. This so like it's 3, guys.
That's cylinder 4, so that's definitely new.
Even though that one look brand new, it don't look like it needs to be changed. You're gonna put him to the side. Still change one now. The fourth one. Number 4. So we gotta take our little tool here.
Ooh. There.
Go on down to the bottom and see what they have in store for us. Is it long enough? The first one? Can you get my magnet? Did you want magnet? Okay. I'm unscrewing the spark plug.
They definitely probably look like they need to be done.
That's terrible. I think so. That's all I can tell you.
It's supposed to be lefty loosey though. It's really left.
She's right, you guys. Left we go.
It goes on and on. Now, if we had the proper size on the end of this, then the spark plug will come straight out once she unscrewed
We have
it.
like a half size big. So we're gonna use our magnet instead.
I'm gonna go get the magnet. What do you say? No, no. I got it. Okay. Da-da-da.
That's what it looks like when you take all the coils out. I'm gonna reach down here and try to get these. Spark plug. He needs to be. Screw more. These ain't sticking like it. Is it anything in there?
No. I mean, it is. Go.
These are the spark plugs, guys.
Oh, look at that one. Woo! You can get the new ones in. I can't believe them spark plugs look like it. You can tell the two that we just replaced. The two that we just replaced. Actually, we did 3 because we had just replaced those 1, 2, and then we put one of the white ones in that other one. Number 3 ain't been touched in a long time.
Stuck, but so what do I put them on the round piece where I twisted it? Ensure pack plug and ensure spark plug bolts are clean and dry. Apply to the inside of each spark plug bolt. Make sure the grease is evenly distributed and installed properly. So I guess the round.
I would do that, yeah.
No, not that part. the other part. The part that we twisted in, basically.
It catches onto the screw, but yeah, this part, that's the part that goes inside.
So that's what I put it on?
Yeah.
It says the boot. What is the boot? Look it up real bad. Well, here we are, you guys. It's for a spark plug. And we also have the 4 coils. Of course.
Installing the spark plugs first, y'all.
Then they give us
Tooted
lifetime
and
warranty.
booted. Shorty tooted and booted.
Okay, that's the fine wire tip. Okay, so where? I guess I do supposed to put it down here, but I'm scared. I don't know. I'm really scared. You have my phone.
This is what a brand new one looks like. I know y'all see that. Compared to an old one. I'll show you this old one, y'all. Alright. Look at that. Like, that was supposed to have been replaced like 7 years ago. Like, just look at it. But luckily enough, this is the worst one out of the 4 that were taken out. The other ones don't even look nowhere near that. So I want to say that the truck has further issues, maybe in the 3rd cylinder somewhere, but I'm not going to say that quite yet. I'm just going to wish that it's one of the dirtier ones, because it's the only one that hasn't been touched or replaced since the last time they've been done. Definitely stuck into that one, because that's the one that's all dirty and caked up. Maybe if we would have some air dust or something like that, stuff they use to clean the keyboards or the computer, maybe if we had some of that, we could have blew on that one for that. I don't really know what else is supposed to be done to it. These bad boys tighten, y'all. Comparably well compared to the others, for sure.
Drop him in there. You at home now, boy? That's my baby.
Yes. You come. You're like one of the Oompa Loompas with that thing on your head like this.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, okay. This one likes to hide, y'all. This one's hiding from y'all. But he's here too. Yeah. Boy, click. Oh, yeah. You clicked or not? The other two get screws though. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
You could. You can't see where it's going.
That's it, son.
Put it in the hole. This one top right? Yeah. In the hole? Yeah. No. Yes.
Here we go now. Oh. No cap. Is that what they say nowadays?
Mm-hmm.
No cap.
And we're done.
We're what? Let us see. So, we've got it started. And yes, it's still loud. We've got more work to do. Needs a catalytic converter. But it's a lot quieter than it was in the first place. Yes. Check engine light is not blinking, which means I think we did a great job. The ultimate test is actually going to be taking it around the corner.
Yeah.
Because anytime we would accelerate, it had a thing where it was like, I don't want to go faster than 10 miles an hour right now. I don't want to switch gears. So we're going to see what it do.
He took off before I even touched it. So yeah. We're back to normal. We're just loud.
Loud is normal, but back to normal.
Expressway. Well, actually,
It's definitely driving better. I can hear it. How do you feel about your new endeavors?
Gang.
Ooh.
First, and I bet it won't be my last.
Okay. Y'all
I
heard?
don't even know how to drive it. I've been driving it so long in that, predicament.
Y'all heard it here first. The first tune-up, but not the last tune-up. Did you take your foot off the gas?
No.
Whenever it did it? It's probably getting all used to not doing it. Like, what are you doing, girl? You got fixed, remember?
I mean, it's definitely getting up more when I put my foot on there. I don't have to push it all the way down. As I said, the test is going to be up.
That is a good sign. The expressway is actually a good sign because every time we got onto the expressway, we had to go 30 miles an hour for a good 20 minutes before my car actually decided it wanted to switch gears and accelerate. Let us pray.
It's going up the hill way better. I didn't have this much speed going up the hill at all. Okay, I don't know what that is. Gotta get that looked at.
Whoa.
I'm at 40, but I was at. Oh, what could that be?
That's that third cylinder. I told you it's got all that extra stuff in it, and I feel like there's something else wrong with it. It's gotta be.
Well, it's still driving better.
Definitely.
It gets up way faster.
I'm sorry.
It gets up way faster than what it was doing. I'm doing 60 before I was doing 60. So that's a good sign. We still got to figure out, why it's not switching better. And all, I'm satisfied. I'm happy.
Good. All right, y'all. If y'all enjoy,
She's not shaking.
Definitely.
She was jumping at first. Yeah, I'm like, something is different.
If y'all
not
enjoy
shaking.
seeing us work on our car and fix different things that need to be done, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Follow us on all social medias. It'll be in the description down below. But we out.